Alright guys, there's another one. Here's Ratchet and Clank. We're just gonna max this one out all the way. We'll try quality. Max ray tracing. Max everything. Alright. Let's see what we get. Would you look at that? And that's on quality. Let's try to drop it to performance and see what we get. And it's DLSS4, by the way. I should restart, but I'm not gonna. Maybe I shoulda. Yeah, I should've. But oh well, at least you could see there isn't much of a quality difference. Tell you what, I'll skip this real quick and we'll be right back. I'll restart the game from quality to performance. Alright, we're back. And let's see. And we're performance. And let's see how we're looking. That makes no sense. Okay. Whoa. That was nice.